So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I've been posting in YouTube. So yeah, let's begin with me. I'll be doing something on Glassmorphism, and I'll be telling you why not to use Glassmorphism in this video. So yeah, basically morphism is something taken from maths, but basically it is related to morphing. It's like taking the previous shapes, like the shape of the previous one, something like morphism is previous mapping of one structure to the another same type. So we can cancel the match in this, but that's the basic meaning of morphism. So yeah, let's get down to creating some more glass morphism for now, because even the previous trend, that one neomorphism, that was also that had some accessibility issues. Even this will have some accessibility issues. So yeah, before that, let me just create an artboard of 1920 by 1080 and give a few shapes in the background. So just a few random shapes so that our design is visible. See, you can actually face the problem here itself. So yeah, I'll go a bit tad smaller. I'll just select this and this and make it red, and go with this maybe purple. So yeah, we have our this ready, with the background ready. I'll change the color of the background as well, a bit grayish. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just remove the borders for the circles, and then I'll be making something like a card, visiting card, not visiting card, a credit or debit card, master visa card. So yeah, I'll take this as my size, or I'll just rotate it. I'll keep it this way. Okay, so a little curvature in the end. I'll go down to, okay, so here what is important while creating Glassmorphism is the shadow and the background blur. But in this case, we'll have this background blur which is preset. So we can even give a shadow. We'll remove the border for this. So we have our Glassmorphism wherever we take. But the problem here is that putting in text and using a appropriate color is the problem. So let me just get with some text here. Mastercard. Okay, so we have our Mastercard thing here typed here. So I'll give a logo here as well. So before that, I'll just take the same thing here, maybe type the name of the user, John Doe. Okay, so we have our username. Okay, Doe. I'll make it a little bigger so that it is visible. I'll be working on the font later on, because yeah, and I'll drag down this, make it a little smaller, tad bit smaller, so that I can fit in my 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. So we'll have this as our card number. So, and then we'll have to give a maybe the valid through, valid and valid date, valid through. Okay, so I'll just drag this down here and make it maybe 26 21. Okay, it's month, no, so we'll keep it 6/21. So we have our content here, but we can't put any of the illustrations in this, as this is a Glassmorphism. What happens if we give it a object blur? Okay, object blur doesn't work that way. So yeah, background blur itself is the right thing here. So what I'll do is I'll just select, make a 2 circles for Mastercard's logo. Okay, this is here, and I'll just remove this border. Okay, I made a mistake. First I should have given a color, and then we'll go to yellow, this yellow. So what we'll do is I'll just reduce the opacity of this, so we'll get that. I'll increase the size of this and increase the opacity as well. So we have our master card ready. I'll make a font for this, maybe any typewriter, maybe it. I don't think I have a typewriter font here. So what I'll go is I'll go with Montserrat, because it'll so this is what our card looks like. Now what I will tell you is why we should not use the Glassmorphism. It's because of see, if I'll have to use dark color, but if anything else comes in the background, again it will not change the color. So that we'll have to keep in our mind and give a color that fits in. Here we can't even give white. We'll have to give a dark background. So that is one issue. We do not have choice for the font color. So this two, okay, 1 2 3, I'll make it bold. So yeah, there is that's one major issue of why we should not use Glassmorphism. And yeah, so this is our card, and in case if you want to add a illustration on this, Control C, grab it on that, but it will not give that effect of Glassmorphism. So again we'll have to come here, maybe give a background blur, but that will not work out here. Opacity, mount to brightness, see, but it will not work out the way it should work out. So, and yeah, if you want to even create a darker version of this, it's possible. I think that should be fine, that should work. So we have our dark version of the same card. In this case I'll have to make it white. You see, there are two variations of this same Glassmorphism. There is always an issue with this type of UI, because in the accessibility point of view, we will not have our main users, like our users can range from maybe small kids to the old age people, but in case of old age people we just want accessibility. So here the old age people might have eyesight issues, so it is not visible for them that this is a card. It will look something like this to them. It will not look the way we are looking at. See, this is there, this is our normal view, but when it comes to old age people, some people might have, like, they might see it this way, or just blurred. These elements will be blurred, that's it, but background will not have any difference for them. So it's like, okay, this is confusing. So that's what they feel. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope I post regularly. So yeah, do like and share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos like this, because I have been into maybe a lot of mentoring programs. I'm mentoring a lot of people, so I don't get time to make videos. I'll have to talk to them, I'll have to help them. So if you're really interested in UI UX, please contact me. I'll leave all the links in the description. So yeah, see you in the next video. Hope to see you soon. Yeah, till then, take care.